Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. So it's gonna be a quick, short video. It's also for your do yourselves. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I've been wrenching all day. It's for do it yourselves. Pretty much just changing the shock. Now, this is on a 2006 Dodge Ram 3500. So these stock shocks have been pretty worn out. I mean, I could feel everything on the road. So I'm doing a little upgrade. I got these Pro Comps Pro Runners. I mean, really like the look of them. Now, I mean, a little bit bigger and a little bit longer than the stock one. I like the look of them too. I mean, yeah, not much people are gonna look underneath my truck, but you know what? I like the look of them. Also, so it comes with a boot, and that does not look good. Yeah, comes with a boot. Steps over this. What I like to do first is I like to take off the shock, get the lower part bolted up, so that way, because once you clip this, it's gonna start extending. And to push it back down, you're gonna fight for it. So I'm gonna get this shock off. I'm gonna bolt this lower part, and hopefully, if I get it right, while this thing is extending, I'll slip the boot on there, and hopefully it just bolts right up. So I am using 3/4 inch open end. It's over there. And then you can also get a crescent wrench for the other side to hold it so it doesn't spin on you. Get a better view. Now, usually it doesn't take a lot to break this. It comes off pretty easy. Also, you don't have to use open ends. You can use an impact or ratchet. It's totally your preference. Okay, so you want to use the existing nut, bolt, and washer for this. Now this is on pretty tight. So what I'm gonna do, just hit that out a little bit. Now the other side is smaller. So let's see figure out what size this is. I am using a 17. Now it's funny with Dodge. It seems like metric fits better than standard, even though it is an American truck. Don't ask me why. See, just like that, it comes right out. So this is actually stuck in there pretty good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off this top one as well. Now guys, I am working outside. And just remind you, I do live in Hawaii for those people. In other states, I do not have the luxury of my own garage. Okay, so yeah, this one is spinning. Hey, what's going on, guys? Yeah, that's off. Let's see here. Yeah, this one's tight too. So, guess what? Universal hammer. Now, if this is still stuck in there, you might want to grab a screwdriver, pry bar. Yep, I'm gonna need a screwdriver. Okay. So let's just see. Like, oh, now he grabs a hammer. Okay. See that, maybe. Oh yeah, this one's in there. Well. Oh, there we go. There. And it's out. Throw that out of here. Now, let's see here. So, yes. Now. Oh, it's a little tight. Yeah, like that did anything. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, tap that in there. Oh yeah, this thing's not cooperating. Let's see if I can. Oh. I'll just see if that fits in there now. Okay, give me a bit of trouble here. See if that bolt lines up now. Look at that. Look just perfectly. Now, I would assume I would have the same problem with the top. Now, I didn't tighten it all the way just because I want to get everything bolted up, then tighten down. So, what we're going to do is we're going to try and time this right to where see it slides right. Maybe I put on some spit. I'm just kidding, I didn't spit on it. I can't really see. Okay, almost there. There we go. There we go. That one's through. Washer, nut. Okay. Again, don't tighten everything until it's in there. Wow. I am sweating like a pig. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I might have the power getting this thing on the bottom. Whew. Okay. So, bottom's in. Well, I'm gonna say in, but kind of right where I'm lined up. I'm just shimmy it a bit. Let's see. Let's see if I can get a screwdriver in there. Ooh, ooh. Right there. Oh, okay. Backside lined up. Almost there. There you go. Look at that. So that's all bolted up. Now, this thing does come with zip ties. For this bottom part. This part kind of has a lip on the top. Kind of goes around this ring right here. Like a dust protector. Yeah, so here's the zip tie. Zip it around. I go a couple of these things past. So it kind of got a better seal than it does. Get that thing tight as possible. Snip. And there you go. Oh, almost forgot. Don't forget to tighten it. You want to drive down the road, and you lose your brand new shocks. Okay, let's just see. Oh, wrong way again. So much for a short video, huh? Now, pretty much same thing. Another guy. Well, I wouldn't say same thing, but same. I don't even know how you put it. Same way to install it. I'm sure you guys can figure out an easier way. So maybe after what you just seen, maybe going with the top first is better than the bottom. But then again, once you get this, put the boot on first before you bolt in the top. And there goes mommy scolding the kids again. It's okay. I love her to death. She's a rock star. She pretty much deals with 2 kids all day while I'm at work. And while I'm wrenching, she's in there taking care of the kids. Ah, yeah. It's all tightened up. So, there you go. Not bad. Now, I'm not gonna make a video for the other side. Just because. It's like the same thing. So, hey, if you like my videos, subscribe, give me a like, thumbs up, and I'll keep posting videos. Bye.